So let us start the valedictory function. The only way to discover the limits of the possible is to go beyond them into the impossible. Thus, think, create, and innovate. First and foremost expression of gratitude to the Almighty for showering His abundant blessings to make this event a successful one. On behalf of St. Joseph's College of Engineering, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of the participants, faculties, and research scholars for making your presence to the AACT sponsored FDP on cybersecurity, hosted by the Department of Information Technology, St. Joseph's College of Engineering, Chennai. I sincerely thank Chairman of our college, Dr. Babu Manogaran sir, Managing Director, Mrs. Jessie Priya ma'am, Director, Mr. Shashi Shekhar sir, Principal, Dr. Vaddi Sheshagiri Rao sir, Dean ma'am, Dr. Parvata Vartini ma'am, our HOD ma'am, Lata Selvi ma'am and Dr. Muthulakshmi ma'am for their constant support and motivation. Utmost token of appreciation and gratitude to the AACT Training and Learning Academy, UTTER, for giving us this opportunity. I express my sincere gratitude to all the distinguished speakers on board who have given a special talk on the have taken time amidst their busy schedule. This 5-day series totally had 14 sessions and 13 speakers delivered their quality lectures. It was attended by nearly 170 participants for every session. This FDP on cybersecurity has definitely provided an insight and thought-provoking points to gain knowledge on the basics of cybersecurity methods and concepts of ethical hacking. The various tools used for scanning the networks and to prevent the source from attackers. The key takeaways of the FDP includes basics of cybersecurity, networking and network devices, social engineering, cyberbullying, malware analysis for Android-based smart devices and industrial control systems. I once again welcome all the participants and the special dignitaries for making for this valedictory function of the FDP, and also I thank everybody for making this FDP program a grand success. Now I invite our principal sir to deliver a speech in the valedictory function. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. So, dear participants, we are very much happy that okay, in the starting around 175 to 180 participants are there. At least we could retain 114. Right now, I am seeing 114, out of which 3-4 of our faculty are there. So I appreciate the people who are all completely completely with the program. So I appreciate it. And I'm seeing many people from different places. It's a very good participation, I must say. A good participation, all of you. This is definitely all the guests we have arranged, renowned people in this field. They have delivered their lecture, and definitely I am sure that this is much helpful for you, and especially this era of now communication. So earlier itself, cyber security is there. Maybe after post-corona, the cybersecurity importance of cybersecurity will increase, because many more things are going to happen through online. So in this era, we must be very careful in dealing with the online transactions, maybe online communication. So I hope whatever you have learned, that will be given to students. The ultimate aim of we are all teachers. The ultimate aim of teachers is we have to transfer this technology and knowledge to our next generation. So that the responsibility is on our shoulders. I hope all of you will, again, when you go to classes or when you take the classes, you will impart the knowledge to our students community. So I thank ACT and Atal Academy for giving an opportunity to conduct this FDP. Before that also we have conducted FDPs, but when it is sponsored by ACT and Atal Academy, it will have its own importance. So I'm sure that this is much useful. I think Dean Madam also joined. Namaste, Madam, Dean Madam. So, my dear participant, I hope you have given feedback so that when we conduct next time, definitely we'll improve ourselves so that we can give in the best way. Okay. Again, coming 7th, we are having one more FDP, Atal FDP we are having, and subsequently we have planned so many other FDPs, online FDPs we are planning. I appreciate your participation. So, in course of time, we'll interact. This should not end with these 5 days. So, must go along, and as a teacher, all of us will interact with each other, and the benefit of that interaction must go to the students. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Now,
yes, madam.
I invite Dr. Logeshwari ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of the management and Department of IT, I would like to thank AICTE Training and Learning Academy, ATAL, for giving this opportunity to conduct this FTP on cybersecurity in our college. I would also like to express my profound gratitude to our chairman, Dr. B. Babu Manoharan sir, Managing Director, Mrs. S. Jessipriya ma'am, and Director, Mr. P. Shashishekar sir, for their unwavering support and motivation. Also, I extend my sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. Vadi Sheshakari Rao sir, and Dean Research, Dr. Parvati ma'am, and their expert guidance. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our HODs, Mrs. Lata Selvi ma'am, Dr. Lily Ramesh ma'am, Dr. Mutlakshmi ma'am, and faculties for their constant encouragement and professional support. Finally, a special thanks for the wonderful participants who have turned up in such a great number from other colleges and universities throughout the India. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all for your presence, for making this event as a grand success. A special thanks to all the participants. With their support only, we have actually achieved this. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Logeshwari ma'am. Thank you, participants. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now we'll be posting the link for test. You can just take up the test.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what about the duration, ma'am?
See, actually, the duration is 20 minutes, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Durai Murugan, sir.
Posted, ma'am. The link is posted in the chat box.
Okay. Okay, already the link is available in the chat box.
Ma'am, in the WhatsApp group also posted.
Okay. Okay, you can start the test.
Ma'am, Lily ma'am, can we take up the test by 5:30 as I told you already, correct?
Yes, sir.
No problem, correct, ma'am?